Hello, guys. How are you today? Welcome back to another video episode at Voice of Crypto with Debbie Blunt. Let me know if you can hear me everywhere. I think we're live everywhere. Let me double check. Let us know if you have any special requirement. I will be happy to assist you. But before we get into any content, I would love to do my quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research. Today, we're talking about Litecoin ETF closer than ever. That is still a big if, right? I believe Fidelity it's very interested in launching a Litecoin ETF, but it's not confirmed yet. However, if Fidelity confirms, that would bring Litecoin price a bit higher and also help both consumer investors and institutions to get into cryptocurrency. Mass adoption is coming anyways, and we will likely to see 2025 loads of ETFs, but it's still a if, right? Let me know what you think about Litecoin ETF getting approved. However, let's go and check this Bitcoin price movement, Bitcoin trade. It's literally stocked and is not doing much. But if you're still longing, I believe you are in the same range that me. If you have seen the previous videos, and honestly, it's so boring. I was so excited at the early Monday, but apparently, I don't know why we have no volume and we're literally going sideways. And on a daily, I don't know if we're going to touch the 200 EMA. Sometimes it looks like, sometimes just look like the EMA is going to squeeze and we would just retest a new all-time high. However, if you're still longing, you're still waiting like me, it's not much to do. Okay, going to the 4 hourly time frame, it's pretty flat. It's just going sideways. It's not much to do when it comes to Bitcoin price. Only waiting period, and we got to be very, very patient at this market. You know that. Moving into Ethereum on a daily, Ethereum is looking a bit better still um, on a long term token, but very, very similar to Bitcoin. You wouldn't get stopped. You literally at the same position, waiting and waiting and waiting. Long term token, it's always an interesting moment to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I believe Ethereum is going to break up to 3,000 sooner or later. I don't really know when. The great question in crypto is always when, right? If you know when, you can get what you want. But however, it's still pretty much at the same place. And this is exactly when passion needs to be in. Okay, we got to wait. Is nothing to do, no volume, no nothing, but the movement, it's coming sooner or later this week. I hope we're going to see it sooner, to be honest. But yeah, guys, let's have a look today on the cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently at 16 trillion, a 1.67% decrease over the last day. Fear and greedy index at the same place. Okay, people trying to be a bit neutral and going to the greedy side, but still at the same place, right? Bitcoin dominance 60.25%, Ethereum dominance 10.02%. According to the latest article, and let me know, by the way, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you if I can. Do not forget to join Voice of Crypto Telegram and visit Voice of Crypto that online if you want to be on top of crypto news, and I'm sure you want to. But yes, guys, it's more on a waiting side. But let's have a look together on the latest article. Bitcoin all-time high due in 2 to 3 weeks as traders see BTC copying gold. Bitcoin files to copy gold's latest all-time high as optimism grows of a BTC price rebound within weeks. Bitcoin BTC abandoned its largest gains into February 11 Wall Street Open as gold consolidated after a fresh all-time high. Binance confusion spoiled that BTC price upside. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed that BTC USD dropping 1,500 in a single hourly candle. Reports that major global crypto exchange Binance has sold almost all of its Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana and others appeared to exacerbate downside volatility. While not new, the drawdown in Binance crypto reserve rumored to be a result of profits on its holdings became a hot topic across social media on the day, with Binance subsequently denying the claims. BTC price action thus struggled as Wall Street began trading, while gold cooled its ramped ascent into price discovery. These had produced fresh record highs of 2,942 per ounce after the daily open. Physical gold buying has gone apocalyptic. Gold inventories in the three largest COMEX gold vaults just sold by 15 million ounces in 2 months. Trading resource, the Kubasi letter, responded on X. That's a plus 115% increase, putting physical gold holdings above 2020 pandemic's level. COMEX gold storage data sourced by the Kubasi letter slash X. Kubasi attributed the phenomenon to the US liquidity injections along with uncertainty over inflation trends. And this is particularly the case as the US deficit defies spending it's out of control. The US has borrowed 838 billion in the first 4 months of FH 2025. It continued. This is crushing bond price as treasury yields are driven higher. Gold's position as the global hedge has only grown as a result. Gold adjusted for us M2 money supply sourced by the Kabasi letter slash X continued down to Bitcoin Gold's copycat move. Others were optimistic that Bitcoin would still follow in Gold's footstep, albeit after a traditional 3 month delay. Sourced by crypto scientists. Among them was crypto trader, analyst, and entrepreneur Michael van de Pope. Bitcoin is likely to print new all-time highs, he told ex-followers on the day. Gold has been printing strong all-time high, and I think we'll see the same for Bitcoin in the coming 2-3 weeks. And a campaigning chart described a ideal zone for entries on BTC USD being around 90k. Bitcoin USDT, one day chart sourced by Michael van de Pope slash X. Charles Edward Fund of Quantitative Bitcoin and Digital Asset found corporeal investments likened the situation to summer 2024. As long as gold keeps trending, Bitcoin almost always sees a comparable bigger breakout between 3 and 6 months, hoping it's on the short and end of that horizon. This time around, part of an next post, the topic rate tariffs equals uncertainty plus possible inflation. Central banks plus Asia are bidding gold hard as an inflation hedge. Rotation into the hardest asset on earth inevitable. This article does not contain investment advice or any recommendations. every investment and trading moves involve risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. I also agree. But yeah, guys, apparently Bitcoin seems to be following gold a little bit, but all we need at this time is volume, and sooner or later it's going to happen. You have both sides to analyze when it comes to consolidation, right? We could literally just retest the lower level on a daily, or we could just go higher from here. But it's all a probability, and we have to wait. That is the thing. If you want trading, you need to be patient. And if you're buying Bitcoin in a long term, you need to be patient too. Okay. We need to wait sometimes, and sometimes it can take up to, I don't know, 2 3 weeks to move. But apparently the US market is also very correlated. So I'm not going to talk much on it because I'm pretty deep inside crypto. But yeah, sooner or later the movement it's coming. But let's move back to CoinMarketCap and have a look on today's cryptocurrency gainers and losers. Um, Let me know if you have any specific altcoin that I can help you with. Oh, I think I went to Dexcan by mistake. And yes, let's see what's going to happen this week. We have to wait sometimes. Okay, top gainers. All right, let me go back. I think I pressed the wrong place twice. Gainers and losers. Okay, top crypto gainers and losers today. Today, first place, we got Gito. I believe so. Not familiar with, but whatsoever is trading at 2.74 and is up 2.52% on the past 24 hours. We got XDC network trading at pretty much 9 cents at the moment. Well, less than that. And is up 2.21%. Well, it's not nothing excited like 20% or 30% as we like to see. Okay, third place we got Sonic trading at 0.47. But yeah, nothing excited like 10 to 20%. But however, on the losing side, we got a lot of options today. First place on the top losers, Ethena, Ina, trading at 0.42 and is down 10.43% on the past 24 hours. We got curved out token and trading at 0.51, down 10.19%. We got LTC trading at 115.97 and is down 10.14%. So we got more on the loser side today. I believe all coins could be feeling a bit more than Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Let's have a look at crypto bubbles. Well, it's not that bad actually. Looking at crypto bubbles today, the top gainer is PRQ, Parsec, I think so, and is up 40.5% on the weekly. And we got AI analysis token up 27.1%. And on the downside, the top buyer would be Vine. Today, it's down 57% on a weekly. So you always want to buy, you know, the deepest deep, and you always want to sell the top. You don't want to do the opposite. So yeah, I would say Vine. Is that correct? Yeah, I think it's Vine. Vine or Vine. I would say is the best option today if you're looking into accumulate or anything around 57. I would just go to the deepest dip to be fair. But if you're looking for something like 25%, you got Dev E that is down to 25.2%. And you got a couple of options on a weekly. And I really like to, analyze things on a weekly 2 to 4 hour time frame. I do not recommend anyone to go lower than that because it's very unstable though. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about the crypto market. As I mentioned, it's time to be very patient because the movement it's going to happen. Make sure to know what you're doing. But before we close, I would like to invite you to go ahead and visit the Vitamin I website. The future of AI agents marketing is here. So I think AI is going to do amazing things, and you need to have a look on this website. So all the links are across Voice of Crypto. And if you are a KOL and you're looking into expand, I'm sure you can get in touch with Vitamin I today and make the most of AI and crypto. And don't forget to like, comment, and share, and join the Telegram if you want to be inside and on top of everything. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Do not panic, and things will happen sooner or later. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.